wants to learn how to be a better leader in the 4 hours I'm blessed to be here with you today.
I enjoyed being here very much at the conference, and the venue was very well run, so the team was very responsive, very humble, very flexible, so I'm grateful.